ओके सर।
रजनीश एक फोटो दे
ओके सर।
सर यार आर के सर इधर
सर यहाँ या रवि भाई हिलाओ मत।
पीछे लो यार कैमरा
आके यहाँ आके यहाँ
हाँ देखो 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 हम लोग देखते हुए ले रहे सचिन भाई
अरे भाई भाई
चलो थैंक यू सत्या सत्या थोड़ा सा इसमें क्लिक कर दिया थोड़ा सा
ऐसे बहुत पीछे आपके लोग लीक हुआ है
छपेगा इसमें से ये बात
हमारा प्रधानमंत्री मुख्यमंत्री
प्लीज क्लियर एरिया चलो 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 आ जाओ चलो बैठ जाओ अरे बैठो
ओ मोबाइल वाले आके सर यहाँ अरे सीढ़ी क्लियर करो भाई, हम क्लियर ही है। सीढ़ी क्लियर करो, सीढ़ी हम लोग साइड में है। संदीप
ये चलो चलो चलो
बाहर चलो ना थोड़ा क्लियर करो ना भी देखो
जबर में एक सेकंड आने दे।
अरे स्टेप से अंदर जाओ
अरे चलो यार हम अंदर जाएंगे।
चलो क्लियर
थैंक यू
प्लीज क्लियर प्लीज क्लियर
हाँ जाने दो आराम से।
हट जाओ अभी यार
अब हट जाओ भाई सामने से।
अरे क्या भाई साहब ऐसा खड़े रहेंगे दोनों पे रखा है
अरे भाई सब बैठ जाओ अभी।
अरे सब अरुण
short thing, but you also need to words also. Yes, what name? You must be knowing a lot of the films from here, of course, by all of it, right? They hang out around here. I've this journey, so economic times, so show you the photographs. That Mahesh Bhatt was here about 5 years ago, inaugurating the same. That time, Fadnavis was the chief minister. He also said. Do we start?
Yeah.
Photographer goes and everywhere. That's something.
सुनील
अरे यार इसमें आज करो यार.
सर आप शुरू करो
नाम बोलो.
नहीं शुरू करो
Who do you know well? Manoj? Hello, check. Dear friends, I was just telling both Ranbir Kapoor ji and Alia Bhatt, both of them, this must have been the longest walk up a staircase, but it was so nice of them to stand with us And it's an amazing thing that those photographers who chase them in many ways, and they're trying to escape all the time, trying to get into an airport or get into a restaurant, and there's this whole bunch of our paparazzi, our photojournalists chasing, and they have taken the trouble to step into the lion's den, to actually go in somewhere and face the music. So it's really very kind and very generous of them to take this long trip at this very rush hour and come and be with us. Just a small word about the function itself. We hold this every year. I was just telling our guests also. It's a stampede. The number of people who take part in this contest. It was fashioned out about 22 years ago, when we felt that Mumbai as a vibrant city should also have some milestones. And what better way to do it than to do a calendar of the best photographs around it. And that's how it started. It was 2001. Now we've done almost 20 years without stop, except the COVID period. And it's this sort of milestones of what we have been through, which we record in these photographs. Invariably, there is Ganpati there is the monsoon pictures, but that is what Mumbai is about. So people say, why are you repeating it? But the judges choose these photographs because they represent what Mumbai is. So the best of Mumbai gets consolidated into this calendar, and every year there's a brisk contest of nearly 1,500 photographs coming in from different members, different photographers, and these get chosen. I was just telling our guests that it just seemed yesterday, 5 or 6 years ago, when Mahesh Bhattji was here, Bhatt Sahab was here along with Devendra Fadnavis, and he inaugurated, I'll try and dig up that picture, show it to them, he inaugurated one of these calendars. The interesting part was that we couldn't do it in COVID. And one thing which we really need to honor our photographers is the fact that during COVID, there were one set of journalists who really kept us in contact, who sort of formed the link between the reader who was at home, work at home, he was sort of suffering from COVID, or he was trying to escape from COVID, there was no knowledge about what's going on. Reporters were there, they were all on the phone, they were not moving out, they were trying to do their stories from home, but this was one tribe which stepped out without any sort of fear to themselves, or any fear to their health, and got those pictures and saw to it that the news flow continued. They also suffered in the bargain. Just to give you an instance, in the first COVID period, 2020, just after the COVID wave attack started around April or May, we had as many as 60 or 70 journalists, photojournalists, all in one entire hospital. All of them had caught COVID. And they were nursed, they were brought back into social life, and they continued their program. So this is what the photojournalist has gone through. And it is this kind of honor, this kind of sort of presence which we want to record. And this is what the Press Club is doing through these awards, to constantly honor not only the photojournalists, but for the first time we've also started the Video Journalist Award, which was given away by Venk Sarkar a couple of days ago. So this is a tribe that we are honoring today. Not only that, it is also a kind of milestone that we want to recognize, that photojournalism as it stands must continue into the future. Day by day, this profession is under threat, because as digital media expands and as the pressure on media increases, this is the area which starts getting slaughtered. We have a lot of retrenchments, and we are taking various steps for that, like forming a collective of photojournalists also, which is in that way, on a digital platform, selling pictures or becoming a marketplace to sell these pictures to the to media groups which are small, which cannot buy on the general market. So all these steps are being taken. At the same time, for our guests, like I said, it's been an honor to have them here. And it's something which I've always wondered, this sort of symbiotic or umbilical kind of relationship between photojournalism and the profession of acting, the profession of the film industry. And it's something which people kind of laugh about, there are jokes about it, it's of course a serious thing, but look at it this way. I mean, here's a profession which makes this industry larger than life. Really, so one of the photographs which has won the award, as you have seen, Alia Bhatt is standing there with this massive hoarding pointing to Gangubai. By the way, one of my favorite films. I think it was well acclaimed. Didn't do so well at the box office, but fantastic film. It did well also. Yes,
It
of course.
did very well.
Absolutely.
It was one of the most successful films of the year.
So it is my favorite film, and it's, you know, the acknowledgement is there. It's got one of the calendar awards also. But what I'm saying is that this is the symbiotic relationship. Here is a profession which is built on what the people want. People want that form of entertainment. It is that link. And here at the same time, the film industry also becomes big. It becomes larger than life. And it's a symbiotic relationship which will continue. And we are proud of it because it is one area of life, the entertainment part, the gossip part, the one where you sit in a drawing room, chat about it. So this is what we are part of that. And here's a small slice that we are seeing. At the same time, I do want to mention that the press club, along with various people who've come here, we have seen that the film industry has got that progressive aspect also. I must tell you, Alia ji, that your mother, Soni Razdan, was part of our Elphinstone group. We grew up together. It was part of the emergency. And the one way that we found how to protest was do street drama. So when you go back and meet her, ask her what were the forms of street drama that we did. It was in a small way. We would come out to Churchgate Station or to VT Station and, like gorillas, perform 20-minute short plays which would expose the emergency, which would expose the authoritarian imposition of the emergency. And that was one way of projecting. It was a passionate group of students which did it. And of course, many people sort of moved on. That was the period when Chabildas became a center for protest, where people like Amrish Puri first came into drama, and from there on to Bollywood. And Satyadev Dubey was the one who trained a lot of these people. So we must, I mean, there is a lot of reality in Bollywood. Gangubai is a moving drama of really what things have happened. I mean, what Mumbai is part of and where its connections are. So this reality, let us not only look at it as entertainment, but a very progressive streak which is brought to us as reality to our doorstep. Barfi, fantastic film. I've always remembered it. It's moving. It sort of stays in your mind. Now, these are the point we are trying to make is that Bollywood is essentially a progressive portrayal of reality, and some people don't like it. Some people don't like it, and there is that miasma, that pulling and pushing going on. But we would support all that is progressive, and we'd support that Bollywood grows, entertainment grows, and it must fulfill the needs of the people, both from the points of view of bringing reality and bringing entertainment to the doorsteps of the people. With these few words, welcome again to the portals of the Small Press Club, and it's really fine and nice to have you. With that, we'll unveil and launch the Press Club calendar Mumbai Moments, as it is called. and that's what I explained, that it captures the milestones. And can I request the Mumbai Moments challenge to be brought up? We'll unveil that. Samar? आपको दे दे?
We can all open one page, na? Some different
Yeah, different
page.
ones,
Everybody can have a different
Here
page.
you can see clearly.
Aw.
Thank you. Thanks.
Here you can see clearly the picture.
Ji.
हाँ देखो. Thank you.
Thank you.
We had a pretty tough team of judges which sat on these photographs, spent quite a bit of time debating, and then chose them. I'd like to invite Arko Datta. He's one of the old and one of the big award winners, the World Press Photograph winner many years ago. He started an academy to teach photography to students and young people, mentored a lot. So Arko Datta, he's not here. Is Mr. Arun Arora here? Neither are here. Mr. Arun Arora was the other judge. He is not here. And Bharat Dabholkar. All the three judges have not turned up. But a big thank you to all of them. A round of applause for all of them for taking the trouble to do this. Before we give away the awards, I'd also like our guests to say a few words about photography, about the friends they've dealt with, what they see the future of the profession, what they see the future of their industry vis-a-vis the various ways of propagation that are going on, or any other words that they have to say. Could I request, maybe start with Ranbir? Hello, check.
You want to speak now or after the
We'll speak now.
Hello, Namaskar. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much, sir, for this moving speech. And thank you, Mumbai Press Club, कि आपने हमें यहाँ बुलाया to celebrate your work, to celebrate your pictures. मैं सच कहूँ तो जब मैं जवान था तो मेरा मीडिया और पेपराजी के साथ हमेशा 36 का आंकड़ा था. उस टाइम कुछ अकल नहीं थी तो ऐसा ही लगता था कि इन लोग मेरे दुश्मन हैं और मैं जो कुछ कर रहा हूँ ये मुझे एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं. बट जैसे अभी बड़ा हुआ हूँ, जैसे और एज हुई है, तो समझ में आया है कि जैसे मेरा काम है एक्टिंग, आपका काम है फ़ोटोज़ लेना. एंड जैसे सर भी कह रहे थे कि इट्स अ सिम्बायोटिक रिलेशनशिप और ये हमेशा जारी रहना चाहिए. आई थिंक ओवर द ईयर्स, अभी 15 साल हो गए, वी मेड सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स यू नो हु वर्क राउंड द क्लॉक for the entertainment, that's your dad, for the entertainment journalism industry. And we just want to thank you for all the work that you all have done. We want to thank you for all the support कि आप हमारी फिल्मों को देते हो, हमारे promotions और marketing के टाइम पे आप हमें देते हो. So उसके लिए हम तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते हैं आप सबका. And we're just happy. We're happy here to celebrate you and keep going, and we love you lots. Thank you.
Sorry.
थैंक यू फॉर इनवाइटिंग अस हियर। जब हमें ये इनविटेशन दिया गया कि आप प्लीज़ आके ये कैलेंडर लॉन्च कीजिए, आई थिंक वो एक मोमेंट था जब हम एक्चुअली काफ़ी पर्सनल बातें कर रहे थे, आपके साथ कन्फाइड कर रहे थे। और एक्चुअली हम दोनों काफ़ी इमोशनल हो गए उस वक्त, क्योंकि इट फेल्ट वेरी दैट वी वर वेरी वेल टेकन केयर ऑफ। जिस तरह आपने रिस्पॉन्ड किया हमारे विशेस के साथ, हमें ऐसा लगा कि यार एक कैट एंड माउस गेम होता है ना, हम लोग एयरपोर्ट के अंदर जा रहे हैं, आप लोग पीछे पीछे चल रहे हो, कोई गिर रहा है, कोई ये हो रहा है, ऐसे काफी ग्लैमरस लगता है बट बहुत हार्ड वर्क है। एंड आई हैव आल्सो सीन दैट। मैंने काफी काफी टाइम देखा है आप लोग बारिश में घूमते हो, 4 5 6 बज जाते हैं, सोते नहीं हो ठीक से, एंड वी ऑल्सो फील बैड। और अभी ये टाइम के साथ जैसे रणबीर ने कहा, समझ में आ गया है कि इट्स अ गिव एंड टेक रिलेशनशिप। डिमांड सप्लाई पे होता है, तो हम कभी इरिटेट हो जाते कि हमारा लुक लीक हो गया, पर लोग कंज्यूम कर रहे तो लुक तो लीक मतलब करना नहीं चाहिए पर हो जाता है वैसे। बट उस दिन जिस तरह आपने रिस्पॉन्ड किया, वी रियली फेल्ट वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल। और मैं ये इस मंच पर ये कहना चाहती हूँ, थैंक यू फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट, क्योंकि ऐसे जेन्यूनली लगा कि हम एक परिवार है और एक फैमिली है। तो परिवार को हम आज सपोर्ट करने आए हैं। और मैं कुछ शब्द इन पिक्चर्स के बारे में कहना चाहूँगी। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फर्स्टली टू ऑल द विनर्स। पर रणबीर ने एक्चुअली मुझे सिखाया। पहले तो छुपा रुस्तम बहुत अच्छे फोटोग्राफर यहाँ है, हाँ इंस्टाग्राम पे है नहीं ये, पर द बेस्ट पिक्चर्स आई हैव एवर सीन इन माय लाइफ एनीबडी टेक इज रणबीर। क्योंकि वो रणबीर हमेशा कहते हैं कि फॉर यू टू टेक अ गुड पिक्चर यू नीड टू लव the object more than you love yourself. So that's why he keeps telling me I can't take good pictures because in a joke. But I can see in the calendar, it's more the moment that is being clicked is way higher than the person taking the moment, and that's what creates a beautiful picture. So congratulations to all the people who have been chosen. And generally जो photos हम ऊपर आते हुए भी देख रहे थे, काफी moments है which we will not see but actually the photographer has seen. So thank you for capturing that moment with a lot of love. So that has been like, ये हमारा कैलेंडर था, ये आपका कैलेंडर है, but thank you for literally um, capturing our life over all these years. Thank you.
Kind of applause won't do. Come on, loud applause.
Maybe I think they would like to hear Alia sing also. Huh?
Yeah, of course.
Few lines, Alia.
Why do you always make me sing every? बेटा गाना गाओ। They've heard me sing. कौन सा गाना गाऊं आपके लिए?
समझावा
हम सफर। ठीक है, ये आपके लिए। रब्बा ने तुझको बनाने में कर दी है क्या लिरिक्स, क्या कर दी है उसने की खाली तिजोरियां, काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियां, केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारे तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं। I forgot all the lyrics. I don't remember the lyrics. Thank you.
Fantastic. Could you introduce us? She wouldn't have done it otherwise. Thank you, Ranbir. It really feels like a family, as you all are saying. It's informal. It's we're just sort of chilling together in that sense. But now I'll sort of the guy who's all putting all these things together, Sunil Kandare. Can I request him to come and say a few words? आराम से आइए, भाषण देने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई 2 चुटकुलियां दे दीजिए. Come on, come on. No, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. No.
हम माइक दे दो उसको.
और नीचे से बात करिए ना, नीचे से बात करिए. Come on.
Thank you
सो मच रणबीर जी और आलिया जी कि हमारे लिए अपने कीमती वक्त आपका निकाल के हमारे प्रेस क्लब के लिए आप आए। तो मैं सब फोटोग्राफर की तरफ से ओनली बॉलीवुड एंटरटेनमेंट और ऑल फोटोग्राफर की तरफ से मैं आपसे धन्यवाद बोलता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
It's an open house. किसी और को बोलना है? Anybody else would like to tell us a? आपका परिचय? हाँ? आइए ना, please. Come, say a few words. कुछ आपको यादगार जो हमें educate us about what's going on.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं प्रदीप बांदेकर 45 साल से इस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ। काफ़ी कुछ मैंने देखा है। रणबीर जी को छोटा, आलिया को बिल्कुल छोटी, महेश जी उसको लेके आते थे महबूब के सेट पे, महबूब स्टूडियो के सेट पे। काफ़ी देखा है इनको, वो ज़्यादा जानते नहीं है। चिंटू साहब मेरे बहुत करीब थे और आलिया जी भी नहीं जानती, लेकिन भट्ट साहब मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं। इनको मैं क्या गाइड करूँगा? आज की जनरेशन हमको गाइड करेगी, इतनी इंटेलिजेंट है जनरेशन। और मैं इन सब का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि उन्होंने फोटोग्राफरों की शान बढ़ाई है यहाँ के। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। थैंक यू मैम।
हमारे ट्रेजरर रजनीश काकड़े, जिन्होंने काफ़ी इसमें हिम्मत दिखा के put it all together and he does it every year. A round of applause for him also, because he, Sunil Kandare, all of them have really taken the trouble to put these kind of events together, and you know, our esteemed guests are here because of them. So can I request him? आप भी दो शब्द बोलिए।
मैं पहले तो आप दोनों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ, क्योंकि आपकी शादी का दिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता। हम सुबह 11 बजे से खड़े थे और पता ही नहीं था कि पिक्चर मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन आप दोनों आए और सबकी पिक्चर बन गई और दिन बन गया, नहीं तो बहुत परेशान थे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
So Rajneesh, I must introduce you, though he is running around for pictures on Bollywood. He is basically a news photographer of API, a French agency, very well known. He doesn't speak much, but an excellent photographer. So thank you, Rajneesh. So now we have a very short function. We now give away the prizes, the awards which have been put together. We've got 10 winners. Some of them are double winners. I mean, it's really good. So I'll read them up. We'll please come up on stage, and if you'd like to say a few words also, you can do that. So this is for the award winners. It's really important. So, and again, a big thank you for them to be so gracious to receive all our award winners and to stand and honor them. So I'd also request, if any of them have come with their families, please come up with them also, so they can also be part of this Mumbai moments, as to put it. So we start now. So we have Anshuman Poirekar, who has won 2 pictures, Hindustan Times. Please come up on stage. Family, fatapat. आयो round of applause. अंशुमन, आप कुछ बोलेंगे? Thank you so much. Ashish Raje, who's always been part of this. Ashish Raje, please come up. Midday, an honor to give you the award.
आशीष, भूषण कोयांडे, फ्रीलांसर. भूषण, प्लीज कम अप. थोड़ा ये जो एवेन्यू जगह छोड़ दीजिए, पीपल कैन कम अदरवाइज. Thank you, Bhushan. Wait, photo. Thank you. Deepak Salvi, live photo. Congratulations, Deepak. Baran, thoda. Next we have Emmanuel Karbari, again winner of 2. Give him a loud round of applause. Congratulations, Emmanuel. Applause, applause. Next is Indranil Mukherjee, AFP. Old veteran, congratulations. Old veteran as please come. Congratulations, Indranil. Next is Pradeep Dhiwan. Midday has bagged a lot of pictures. Midday.
आपका पिक्चर क्लिक किया.
Congratulations, Pradeep. Congratulations. Applause, applause. It doesn't cost us anything. Come on. Pratimesh Bandekar, Bombay time. Congratulations, Pratimesh. Loud applause. Come on. Thank you so much, and congratulations for winning the award. Next is Pratik Chorge from Hindustan Times. Again, winner of 2. Congratulations, winner of 2 pictures. Congratulations. Applause, applause. Next, Sachin Halde, Dabang Dunya.
Many congratulations. Round of applause, everybody.
Sir. Thank you.
And there's one missing link. He didn't come on time. Ashish Raje, a very old office bearer, senior member of the press club, and I wonder where he was. But anyway, better late than never. Congratulations, Ashish.
Ashish.
Come here. Ashish Raje from Midday. Congratulations. Round of applause. Please be seated. We are almost done. We are going to end this with our secretary Rajesh Mascarenas saying 2 words before closing the program. And after this, we'll have all the photographers who have won come on stage. We'll do a photo op with our honored guests, and then we'll proceed for our snacks and drinks and whatever you have.
Thank you, Ranbir Alia, for coming here, taking us all the way from Bandra to here. Thank you so much. We also would like to thank the sponsor Z Entertainment, without whom we don't have unveiled this calendar. Thank you. Also, thank you everyone who come here. Thank you.
Be on stage. Be with. We are running this program ulta. We're giving you the flowers. It should have been done first, but nonetheless, a small token of our appreciation. Can we have all the award winners come on stage? Take a picture with all of them. कोई सामने भी आप चले जाओ. Everybody, please be seated. Please be seated. Thank you. Hello, we are ending this program. Just a request, no airport stampede here. Please make the avenue clear so they can come down and have a couple of snacks and maybe a beer or two with us.